Good morning. This is your 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. Seeing mostly sunny conditions out there with just a few clouds around. Expecting a chilly day ahead, but continuing with that quiet and dry weather over the next couple days. Take a look at the current surface analysis. We have this area of high pressure really over the eastern part of the country, really dominating the weather, keeping things quiet and dry. And that will continue over the next couple days till we see a coastal area low pressure kind of come up the southeast coast and bring some rain back into the area for the end of the weekend. If we look at the current conditions, just a few low clouds off the coast, a few clouds at 14,000 feet, and a few clouds at 25,000 feet. Light wind out of the north-northwest at 3 knots, temperature at 32 degrees, and the relative humidity is at 63%. Taking a look at the current visible satellite, we see just mainly high clouds and a few mid clouds out there. They'll be swinging through for the morning hours, and then we'll see things clearing up as we go into the afternoon. But light winds across the area with chilly temperatures, particularly inland, and we'll see a chilly day ahead again with low average temperatures, but overall nice and quiet. Looking at the short-term high-resolution model, see how things play out. Again, that high pressure is just going to dominate the forecast over the next 48 hours or so, keeping things dry, no precip expected. Again, we'll have clear skies as we go overnight tonight and into Friday. We'll start to see temperatures moderating as we go through the day on Friday, back to more seasonable or just above average for this time of year as we go Friday, as well as into Saturday. As we go into our day on Saturday, we'll see an increase, a slow increase in mainly high clouds through the day. We'll start off mostly sunny, and then we'll see high clouds increasing, becoming mostly cloudy by the later part of the day as that system gradually starts to approach up the southeast coast. So looking at the 24-hour weather risk chart for today, green conditions over the next 24 hours. We'll see that temperature just reaching up to around 44 to 45 degrees this afternoon. So that's a couple, like 4 or 5 degrees below average for this time of year. Otherwise, we'll keep a light north-northwest to northwest wind, peaking around 6 to 11 knots as we go through the afternoon. But overall, mostly sunny conditions after these few mid and high clouds move out of the area as we get into the afternoon. We stay clear as we go overnight. We'll see temperatures cooling down to 30 degrees, which is seasonable for this time of year. See those winds slowly start shifting more westerly as they become west-southwest to westerly, around 3 to 8 to 4 to 9 knots to start the day on Friday. Tides are running normal at the moment, and as we look at the next couple days, Friday mostly sunny again, those more moderate temperatures with a high around 55 degrees. Green conditions for our weather risk that continues into Friday evening with mostly clear evening, and then we'll see some clouds around as we get into Saturday morning, a low around 35, and then going into Saturday, again increasing clouds through the day, becoming mostly cloudy later in the day, but should be plenty of sun for most of the day with a high once again around 55 degrees, and those green conditions continue into our Saturday. That wraps up the 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. We'll be back again at 10 a.m. to take a look at the extended forecast. Enjoy your morning.